If you're only using Claude to ask questions, you're missing 80% of what it does. The 80% you're missing is called Claude Code. I use it every day, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how it works.
Hey, let me start from the beginning. There are three main things in Claude you'll actually use, and one of them is where the real leverage lives. Quick walk through all three, then we go deep on the one that matters. Thing 1, Claude Chat. Questions, writing, research. Claude Chat is where most people start, and where most people stop. You go to claude.ai, you ask a question, you get an answer. It's brilliant for writing, drafts, research, anything you type into a search bar. 3 things Chat does well that most people don't realize. 1. It remembers everything inside one conversation, so you can build on the same thread instead of re-explaining yourself every time. 2. Projects. You drop your own files in once. Claude treats them as context for every question after. Upload your business plan once. Every answer is informed by it. 3. It's free to try. The better models cost a few dollars a month, but you don't need a credit card to test the basic version. Where Chat stops. It can think with you. It can write with you, but it can't do anything for you. It can't open your files. It can't run a command. It can't take any action on your computer. The moment you want Claude to actually act, you have to leave the chat box. That's where the second thing comes in. Thing 2, Claude Cowork. Where it shines is working with files and apps on your computer. Cowork is the Claude desktop app. Same Claude, but with access to your screen, your files, and the apps on your computer. The web version is a chat box. Cowork is Claude with eyes and hands on your machine. 3 things Cowork unlocks that Chat can't do. 1. It reads files on your computer directly. Drop a folder of PDFs. Cowork can sort them, deduplicate them, summarize them. No copy-paste. 2. It can actually use your computer. Click buttons, navigate apps, open files. You ask it to organize your downloads folder, it does it. 3. There's a customized section that bundles your skills, plugins, and connectors all in one place. One panel, everything Claude knows how to do for you. Where Cowork lives. This is the day-to-day workspace for files, screenshots, and app navigation, all in one place. Cowork can do small jobs on its own. Quick checks, small edits, double-checking things. And when something needs real building, Cowork can call in Claude Code to do the heavy lifting. So think of Cowork as the orchestrator. Claude Code is the builder behind it. Which brings us to the third thing, the one that does the actual work. Thing 3, Claude Code, where the 80% actually lives. This is Claude Code in motion. Real terminal, real build. Claude Code is a tool for telling Claude to build software, wherever you have access. Your computer, a remote server, a VPS, anywhere you can connect. Run it from your terminal or inside the Claude desktop app. The point isn't coding. It's building. You tell Claude in plain language what you want. It writes the files, runs the tests, fixes the errors, gives you working software at the end. Let's use a very simple example. Pavel types one line, build me a working Tetris game in HTML, playable in the browser, with the standard pieces and scoring. And Claude Code starts working. No code on Pavel's side. No copy-paste from anywhere. He's describing the result he wants. Claude writes the files, generates the pieces, wires up the controls, runs the tests, fixes its own errors when something breaks. This is vibe coding. You describe, Claude builds. And here it is. Working game, real pieces, real scoring. I'm playing it now while Pavel goes back to whatever he was doing. He didn't write a single line of code. He just described what he wanted. Tetris in a couple of minutes. Now imagine what an actual tool, built for your work, looks like. What makes Claude Code work isn't the typing. It's 3 things layered on top of it. Skills, subagents, and routines. Each one does a specific job. Inside Claude Code. First thing, skills. A skill is a small folder of instructions that teaches Claude exactly how you want a specific job done. You write it once. Every time that job comes up, Claude reads the instructions and does it your way. For example, We have a skill called News Digest. We taught Claude once. Pull from these 30 AI sources, score each article for relevance, write in this tone, surface anything new. Now, anytime we say do the digest, Claude follows the recipe. Same way, every time. Skills are how Claude becomes yours, not generic. Second thing, subagents, or specialists, however you want to call them. They do more specialized work, optimized for specific jobs, more task-oriented than general Claude. Anthropic, the company behind Claude, ships 3 out of the box. 1 for exploring code, 1 for planning, 1 for general tasks. You can build your own too. In our setup, we run a researcher who digs into news, a quality controller who checks tasks, an orchestrator who runs the subagents. The limit is your imagination. Subagents are how you go from me plus Claude to me plus a team of Claudes. Third thing, routines. Routines are schedules for skills. Anthropic released them earlier this year, cloud-hosted. They run even when your laptop is closed. Remember the News Digest skill from a minute ago? On its own, it just sits there waiting to be called. With a routine wrapped around it, Claude runs it every morning at 9 a.m., pulls the sources, writes the brief, drops it in a folder. I wake up. The brief is waiting. I didn't ask. The routine fired in the cloud while I was asleep. Routines are how Claude works while you sleep. One more example, and this one's real work, not a game. Recently, Pavel asked Claude to build our working panel. He described what he needed, his vision. Claude did the heavy lifting. 5 minutes. Done. That's the 80% most people never do. Skills make Claude do work your way. Subagents split it across specialists. Routines run it on a timer. Stack the 3 and work happens whether you're at the keyboard or not. That's the 80% most people never see.
If you like what we do and want to see more, come and join our free school community. We share more inside information, files, and how-tos in there. Join us. It's free. See you inside.